Alright, so we're having dinner here. Chef Clint. USA steak 99. Along by Bistro, the road towards Maya. Gonna eat some steak or something. Very nice interior. Tung fresh coffee. So we will be here to drink some coffee. Nope, I don't drink coffee, so I'm gonna drink some cocoa for 55 baht. And there are seats around here. This is in Pantip Plaza, so pretty nice looking place. Pretty chill, I think. Not many people as well, so it's a good place to just chill and have your coffee or tea or cocoa. And there's even a shop there that sells like something like sports ball, and I think there are some discounts in there, so that's pretty good. What's up guys? So we are here, the Salsa Kitchen Mexican restaurant. So we're going and see what they have. Looks pretty Mexican-y. Let's see. Cash and prompt, no card. And then, quite nice. Mexican food, shrimp tacos, looking pretty good here. This was a bit sour and thick though, yeah. But the food looks good. If you like passion fruit, woo, go for it man, go for the drink. 79 baht, this is 289 baht. Right guys, so the food was so good, the tacos, woo, ingredients were fresh, the Mexican spices so legit, so authentic, it's all good man. And I think everything go well together, including the dips. Yep, the dips, there were like 4 different dips, the tomato one, the salsa and all. And I think it's one of the best Mexican food that I've ever tasted here in Chiang Mai. If you wanna eat something Mexican, come here to eat. Right, so we are at Kasem beef noodle shop today. A little bit outside of the old city, but I think it's pretty dope. A lot of people here, around 12 or 8 p.m.
Crispy, worth the price. For the beef noodles, it has strong beef broth aroma, beef essence is evident, noodles are chewy, portion is big.
Alright, okay, so we are here today. We are going to try some Myanmar / Thai food. I think more of Myanmar food. Yeah, they give free tea and some complimentary vegetables and chili too. They are quite nice. There's a menu where it's Thai food and it's in Thai, but the menu in Burmese / Myanmar is really Myanmar Burmese. So if you want to know what food they have chicken, they have pork, they have beef, and they have fish too, curry, and then with the rice. What's up? So we are eating pad thai for dinner along the near to mango sticky rice, and this is what he's doing. Pad thai, handsome and doing good. Okie dokie, we are here for dinner. หมูอร่อย108. Seems like a one-man show and the shop is pretty cool. Quite small though, but I think it's fine. Okay, so we are at like a little night market of Nekoemon, just opposite the park. Yep, and there's like food stuff over there. Ice cream, bingsu, Korean tent. And they play quite nice music over here too. Yeah, pretty nice place. Nothing mind blowing, I think.
but good place to chill with friends, I guess. Alright guys, so we got ourselves a peanut butter ice cream, 39 baht from the Scoope at Lantra Mart Castro. Yeah, looks pretty nice too. Alright, so if I'm not wrong, this came from Bangkok, Mont, Nomsod. Yeah, Bangkok. It's apparently some toast and looks a bit like a fast food restaurant. And if I'm not wrong, it opens at like what, 12 noon. So looking pretty good. This is not McDonald's by the way, although you see the reflection there. Hey guys, good morning. So today we are going to Nekoemon Cafe, Chiang Mai. Now it's currently 11:39 and we shall see what they have to offer, shall we? Looks pretty bamboo-y, if you can see my background. Looks pretty nice too. I'll show you the view. Okay, so we are here. A bit of the outside. So they sell a bit of pillows, t-shirts and all. And look at that Japanese thing over there. Can't wait to be there. They even have this cute cat over there. Oh, so even the entrance it says here Yukata. Cool, 200 baht to go somewhere. So this is the entrance. Reminds me a bit of the Minang rice-based cuisine. Alright, so we are inside. Look at this cool Japanese outlook. And then they even have a fountain over there, which we will go. And they have an inside too. Okay, so at the back of this cafe, you can even see this waterfall over here. And there's a bridge there too. Pretty nice. And you can even walk through it. Look at that little cute stream of water you can walk through. So this place really looks like a little Japan. There's quite a distance from the main city. Yep. And then there's a bridge over there where you can walk through. So I think this place is pretty nice. Really looks like Japan and all. But let's see how the food tastes like, eh? I think in between the waiting of your food and also like probably after your lunch and you wanna take some quick exercise, you can walk through the garden, which looks pretty nice and beautiful, like the real Japan. But the atmosphere is kind of there too, just that the weather is a bit hot, you know. And the sound of the waterfalls makes it pretty nostalgic too.
Curry is fragrant and aromatic, smooth too. Chicken katsu is crispy and tender. So right now we're embarking on the Mae Ping River cruise on the Mae Ping River.
First time, right? You haven't taken this before?
Try it out.
Alright, so we are here. I think it reads Ban Chao Na. See the bulls. Pretty nice looking place, I think. Rustic, very, very rustic. Probably gonna be here for some time. Farmer's house, coffee. With some dance and music going on. We are here on a boat ride for what, maybe 2 hours or so. Boat landing, local noodles, Thai cooking course. So at this place you can have like boat ride to this village and then they'll let you stop here for a while. You can look at the goose, and then you can go and feed the big kratai too. So that's interesting. I see. I fed like kangkong to the rabbit. You can feed carrot too. Whoa, guess who's back in another toilet? Me. Yes. So this is the toilet that I'm in. And there seems to be quite a nice design. If you look at it.
very rustic, and it seems like they've reused some of the materials here. Yeah, and look at that. Oh, look at the peeing and the flushing system. So cool. Impressive. You get to choose your ice cream and your drink. So after a long day of taking the boat and being on an island, we are on our way back home. Comment down below if you have ever taken a boat ride on the Mae Ping River. And if yes, which part of it do you enjoy the most? For me, I enjoyed cruising along the river while watching couples of people just kayaking and children playing along the sides of the river.
Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family.